Ground beef, ranch seasoning, golden corn, and melted cheddar all in one skillet and on the table in just 20 minutes. Hey friends, today we're going to cook together a buttery cheddar ranch beef and golden corn skillet. Like, that's a mouthful, right? But it is absolutely delicious. We're going to layer the ground beef, add some cream, some milk, some cheese, some seasoning, spices, and it's going to come all together in a skillet. And it is delicious. So let's get into it. We begin by heating up a skillet and adding olive oil to the skillet. We're going to then toss in a diced onion. We're going to allow that to heat up and the onion to cook until it becomes translucent, which looks like is happening right here. My onion's turning a little bit brown. Next, we're going to throw in our pound of ground beef, and we're going to make sure that ground beef browns up, and we're going to chop it up here into smaller pieces of ground beef. And then we're going to start seasoning the ground beef with some pepper, a little bit of salt, and then we are going to cook our noodles on the stove. Sorry about the video there, but I'm using bow tie noodles today. I'm going to cook those to the package instructions. And back to my browned up ground beef, I'm going to add a can of corn, and I'm going to mix that into the ground beef while you can see my noodles cooking there in the corner. I'm going to combine the corn into that ground beef. Meanwhile, my skillet is on about a low to medium heat. I'm going to take a couple cups of heavy whipping cream and add them into the skillet now. And this is going to start to thicken up and become a very, very nice base for this recipe. I'm going to dump in some sour cream next. And all of your measurements and the complete recipe is in the description of the video. So you can definitely do a screenshot there in the video description. I'm going to stir this until it's well combined and heats up. You can kind of see it's bubbly on the edges. And then right after that, I'm going to add in my cheddar cheese, and I'm going to combine that to make sure that it's melted through that whole skillet. You can see the skillet's probably on heating up. It's on like more of a medium heat. My cooked noodles are done. I am going to put those into the skillet next, and I'm going to make sure that those are mixed into the meat mixture and that it's very, very well combined, as you see here. Meanwhile, my heat is still on low to medium. Now I'm going to sprinkle cheddar cheese onto the top of the skillet, and then I'm going to dress the skillet with some chopped chives. All right, friends, so our buttery cheddar ranch skillet, beef ranch skillet is all done. This is the whole skillet complete. So the cheese melted on top. We threw some chives on there at the end of the video. So now we're going to dig in here and we're going to give her a nice taste. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at this. So good. So creamy. See the pieces of corn in there. Smells good, especially when you're hungry. Yeah, so here we go. So let me pull this up again. Look at that. Yeah, it's going to be good for leftovers too. Yeah, so now I didn't put a whole lot of salt and pepper in this. When I cook, I don't season, but sometimes I'll leave a little bit of the salt off to the side just so that, you know, whoever's eating it, you know, if you think it needs salt, you can add some salt to it. So just not a heavy person with the salt. Anyways, that was a public service announcement, but let's take a taste. Out of this world. Very creamy, but not on the rich side. So you could probably eat the whole plate. It's not super rich, but it does have that nice depth of cream. Corn is delicious. I mean, this is a 10 out of 10, easy too. Nice, savory, hearty meal. It's absolutely delicious. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.